Ensure clear visibility, safe driving, and effective rain, dirt, and debris removal in all conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best windshield wiper blades that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Rooppa Windshield Wiper Blades. These replacement OEM windshield wiper blades are a reliable and practical upgrade for Nissan Rogue 2014 to 2023 and Pathfinder 2013 to 2021 models. Designed for a perfect fit, the set includes 3 blades, 26-inch, 17, and 12, that ensure full windshield coverage and clear visibility in all weather conditions. The performance is impressive, offering smooth, quiet operation while effectively removing rain, dirt, and debris for safer driving. Built for long service life, these wipers maintain consistent pressure on the glass, helping deliver streak-free cleaning in all seasons. Installation is simple and hassle-free with a plug-and-play design, making replacement quick even for beginners. Each set comes with an instruction manual for added convenience. Backed by a 1-year warranty with options for refund or return, it provides peace of mind and dependable quality. Overall, these wiper blades deliver strong durability, easy installation, and excellent all-weather performance for safer driving visibility. Now our second product is Rain-X Windshield Wiper Blades. This windshield wiper blade with patented rain repellent technology offers excellent all-weather performance and improved driving safety. As it wipes the windshield, it also applies a Rain-X water repellent coating, helping rain, sleet, and snow beat up and slide off quickly for clearer visibility. The beam blade design ensures even pressure across the windshield, delivering a smooth, streak-free wipe that follows the glass curvature perfectly. Built for harsh weather conditions, it performs reliably in rain, snow, and icy environments, making driving more confident and secure. Installation is quick and simple thanks to a universal adapter that fits up to 96% of vehicles. A helpful QR code provides an easy step-by-step video guide if needed. The blade is designed for long-lasting durability and consistent performance. For best results, the protective yellow squeegee cover should be removed after installation. Overall, it's a smart upgrade for safer, clearer, and more comfortable driving in all seasons. Our third product is Parrati Windshield Wiper Blades. These windshield wiper blades are a practical and reliable choice for drivers looking for clear visibility and easy installation. Designed to fit U/J-hook wiper arms, they are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Made from natural rubber, the blades deliver smooth, streak-free wiping performance, ensuring a clean windshield and safer driving in all weather conditions. The aerodynamic, bracketless design reduces wind drag, noise, and lift while also preventing snow and ice buildup during winter use. The dual precision tension steel springs and asymmetrical spoiler provide even pressure distribution, allowing the blade to closely follow the windshield's curve and eliminate wet spots that can obstruct vision. Installation is quick and tool-free, taking only a few minutes without needing extra adapters. Backed by a 6-month after-sales service, these wipers offer dependable performance, durability, and convenience, making them a solid upgrade for safer driving visibility in rain, snow, and everyday conditions. Now number 4, PA Windshield Wiper Blades. This windshield wiper blade offers reliable all-weather performance with a strong focus on durability and clarity. Made from high-quality silicone rubber, it creates a water-repellent barrier that helps rainwater beat up and slide off the windshield quickly, improving visibility during wet conditions. The streak-free wiping action ensures a clean, clear view, while the quiet operation adds to driving comfort without distracting noise. Its design also helps prevent ice and snow buildup, making it especially useful in colder climates where traditional wipers often struggle. The elimination of exposed metal components reduces the risk of rust and improves overall longevity. With a universal fit that works on over 98% of wiper arms on the market, installation is simple and hassle-free for most vehicles. Overall, this wiper blade delivers a combination of smooth performance, weather resistance, and long-lasting reliability, making it a practical upgrade for safer and more comfortable driving in all seasons. And our last choice is 5+ Windshield Wiper Blades. These 5+ windshield wiper blades are a high-quality replacement option designed specifically for Toyota Sequoia models from 2008 to 2022. Built with AAA-grade natural rubber and PTFE coating, they deliver quiet, streak-free, and clean wiping performance for improved driving visibility. The dual steel spring system, made from galvanized memory metal, provides up to 2,000 pressure points, ensuring a firm and seamless fit against the windshield for consistent cleaning. Designed for all-season use, these wipers perform reliably in rain, fog, snow, ice, and dusty conditions, making them a dependable choice for year-round driving. The combination of OEM-grade materials, including silicone components, springs, adapters, and spoilers, enhances durability and extends service life well beyond standard wipers. Installation is quick and simple, taking only about a minute with a user-friendly design. Overall, these wiper blades offer strong performance, durability, and easy installation, making them a solid upgrade for safer and clearer driving in all weather conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.